Acumatica is a modern, intuitive, and scalable software designed to allow its users to personalize their instance for their specific business needs. And Acumatica is configured around role-based security, so your employees will only have access to the items they need in order to do their job. And these access controls are defined by you. So you can decide whether someone has access to the general ledger within the finance workspace, or if they have access to an individual field within a sub-account. You can decide what workspaces they have access to, as well as the best landing page for them based on their role. Now I'm currently logged in as an admin user and have access to view our customer view dashboard, where I can look at various KPIs, sales order trends, among others. And unlike other systems, Acumatica is going to allow you to take control of your dashboards and personalize it for your specific needs. Through the power of Acumatica's low-code, no-code architecture, I could drag and drop, delete, and even edit these dashboards. I'll edit this KPI tile. So I want to show anything between 0 to 5 as a normal level to show green, anything 6 to 9 show yellow as a warning, and 10 and above my alarm. So visually I can see how well I'm doing. But let's say I'm a controller. The customer view dashboard may not be the best landing page for me. In this instance, the controller dashboard would likely be my best landing page based on my role. Here I'm able to see our outstanding AR, AP, our cash positions by month and period. And let's say I had access and wanted to see our top 5 AR balances. I could very easily configure this in just a few minutes without needing a third party or developer. All I would need to do is select design at the top right and scroll down and add new widget. So from here, I'm able to create a chart, data table, KPI, among others. As previously mentioned, I want to customize a widget for the top 5 AR balances. So I will search the inquiry screen and select the data set I'm looking for. In Acumatica, widgets are tied to data from a generic inquiry report. So I'm just following through the list of prompts, and as you're able to see, I'm configuring my own widget dashboard without the need of a third-party customization or developer. I'm taking control of my data and manipulating it for my specific business needs. Customizations within Acumatica extend beyond just dashboards. In this next use case, we are going to configure user-defined fields to track how sales orders are coming in, by phone, email, or fax, if people still use that. I already have one set up with our 3 sales sources. So we can go back into our sales order and see the new tab for user-defined fields in the header next to document. So I'll choose phone for this order, and I can incorporate these user-defined fields into the generic inquiry report, which will allow me to sort and filter this data. So as I receive more sales orders, my collection of sales source data will grow, which will give me insight into how our sales are being taken. And this customization of user-defined fields is not limited to just sales orders. You can incorporate it into customer records, vendor records, and more. These are just a few examples of the many configurations you can make within Acumatica. But the key takeaway is Acumatica gives you the tools to customize and configure your instance for your needs. If interested in exploring further, please contact our certified team at Opus to schedule your demo today.